Welcome to Best Pickup.
10 Best Small Pressure Washers New Model 2021. Top 10. 10. GreenWorks PW 1800 PSI 1.1 GPM Electric Pressure Washer 1800 psi, 1 GPM, 13 amp universal motor. Onboard soap tank. 35 feet power cord with inline GFCI for use on all exterior outlets, quick connect 1 with 15, 25, 40, and soap nozzles, 20-foot high pressure hose on reel. Top 9. 9. Briggs & Stratton 020681 2000 psi, 1.2 GPM Electric Pressure Washer, 2000 psi, 1.2 GPM, red gray titanium. Hose length, 300 inches, power source type, corded electric. Top 8. 8. When PW19 2000 PSI 1.6 GPM 13 amp variable flow electric pressure washer, 1900, orange. Perfect size for cleaning cars, brick, cement, decks, furniture, and more. Variable flow nozzle allows users to adjust the spray width of the pressure washer. 13 amp motor blasts water at rates of up to 1.6 gallons per minute. Lightweight briefcase style design combines with carrying handle for easy transport and storage. Features a 16.5-foot reinforced hose, a detergent bottle, a water filter, a 36-foot power cord, and a 2-year warranty. Top 7. 7. Sunjo SPX 1014-50 Max PSI 1.45 GPM 11.5 amp electric pressure washer, green. Versatile, ideal for light to medium duty cleaning jobs including auto, deck, concrete, pavers, dock, boat, cabin, porch, patio, windows, siding, driveway and more. Adjustable pressure, adjustable spray 1 with twist nozzle easily controls water pressure to handle the task at hand. Powerful motor, powerful 11. 5 amp motor generates 1450 psi of maximum water pressure and a maximum flow rate of 1.45 GPM, TSS, total stop system, automatically shuts off pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. Pressure, max rating per CSA test standards. Maximum internal pressure is 1450 psi. Under typical load, working pressure is 1150 psi. Top 6. 6. ROCKPALS Cordless Pressure Washer, 2x40V batteries max 870 psi power washer with accessories, portable power cleaner with 6-inch-1 adjustable nozzle, suitable for washing cars, fences, siding. portable cordless pressure washer max 870 psi/6.0 MPa working pressure with max 0.7 MPa water inlet pressure and the flow rate is 200 liters per hour. ROCKPALS 2020 upgraded version portable pressure cleaner is powerful enough with 2x40V lithium battery. Cordless, lightweight and compact design can travel anywhere. You can use our power washer machine to clean cars, trucks, motorcycles, driveways, fences and bicycles in minutes. 6-inch-1 humanized design nozzle. Our high-pressure washer features the adjustable 6-inch-1 nozzle, 0, 20, 20 slant direction, 40, foam jetting, and shower mode or 0 heavy flow. In addition, we also provide 180 rotatable jet pipe. Multiple spray nozzle lets you switch between varying degrees of water stream intensity that lets you easily and quickly clean all your outdoor spaces and gear. This car pressure washers make your cleaning more convenient than others with interchangeable nozzles. Auto and ECO working modes. There are automatic and economical modes of battery pressure washer. You can switch two modes conveniently by pressing the mode button. Automatic mode is for fast water jetting with high pressure cleaner starts. Top 5. 5. GreenWorks 1600 psi 13 at 1.2 GPM pressure washer GPW 1602. 1600 psi at 1.2 GPM will blast through grime and dirt to restore your surfaces, can be used vertically or horizontally for greater stability, 20 feet high pressure hose for greater reach, 35 feet power cord with inline GFCI for use on all exterior outlets, soap applicator to apply soap to completely clean any surface. 2 nozzle tips and attackable detergent bottle to complete any job. Universal motor, 120, 60 Hz, 13 amps, power source type, corded electric. Top 4. 4. Homdox 2500 psi, 1.5 GPM pressure washer electric power washer with 4 nozzles, longer cables and hoses, for cleaning cars, driveways, garden, green. 4 nozzles options. 4 quick connect spray tips, 0, 15, 25, 40 and soap, tackle light, medium and heavy duty cleaning task 0, areas that are high and hard to reach. Clean crevices in sidewalks or driveways. 15 use on concrete, brick and other hard surfaces with stubborn stains. 25 use on painted surfaces, wood siding, fences and lawn mowers. 40 use on windows and screens. Soap used to spray soaps and detergents. Easy to install and move and store. The high quality copper connections are easily joined to hose and nozzle for quick, effortless hookup. Water no leak. Compact, upright design with axle mounted wheels allows easy roll-away mobility. Spray gun, lance and detergent bottle are where you want them and free from accidental damage. Powerful and multifunctional use. The force of rated pressure 2000 psi, max 2500 psi, and 1.5 GPM high pressure washer can be used to clean a wide variety of surfaces. It is terrific for cleaning garden, patio, cars, boats, RVs, driveways, decks and more. Easily gets rid of dirt, grime, gunk, oil, rust and so on. High pressure washer. Compact, upright design with axle mounted wheels allows easy roll-away mobility. Pistol style grip with trigger. Spray wand dispenses for efficient pressure washing. 6M high pressure hose for greater reach. Top 3. 3. Homdox 2500 psi, 1.5 GPM pressure washer electric power washer with 4 nozzles, longer cables and hoses, for cleaning cars, driveways, garden, green. 4 nozzles options. 4 quick connect spray tips, 0, 15, 25, 40 and soap, tackle light, medium and heavy duty cleaning task 0, areas that are high and hard to reach. Clean crevices in sidewalks or driveways. 15 use on concrete, brick and other hard surfaces with stubborn stains. 25 use on painted surfaces, wood siding, fences and lawn mowers. 40 use on windows and screens. Soap used to spray soaps and detergents. Easy to install and move and store. The high-quality copper connections are easily joined to hose and nozzle for quick, effortless hookup. Water no leak. Compact, upright design with axle-mounted wheels allows easy roll-away mobility. Spray gun, lance and detergent bottle are where you want them and free from accidental damage. Powerful and multifunctional use. The force of rated pressure 2000 psi, max 2500 psi, and 1.5 GPM high pressure washer can be used to clean a wide variety of surfaces. It is terrific for cleaning garden, patio, cars, boats, RVs, driveways, decks and more. Easily gets rid of dirt, grime, gunk, oil, rust and so on. High pressure washer. Compact, upright design with axle mounted wheels allows easy roll-away mobility. Top 2. 2 pressure washer, electric pressure washer gun, portable cordless high power cleaner with 6-in-1 adjustable nozzle, 21V 450 psi, suitable for washing cars, fences, pool siding, patio floors. Portable power washer, the truly portable power cleaner, compared with traditional pressure washer. This power washer gun lets you efficiently and quickly clean all your outdoor spaces and device, and lightweight, no wires limited, portable to carry, no need to worry about power supply because it has a large capacity, 20,000 mAh, battery, plug and play, a practical powerful cleaning tool for daily life. Multiple functions. Electric pressure cleaner. This electric pressure washer is not only for washing cars by adjusting the 6-inch-1 nozzle. Choose different working modes to adapt to different working scenarios. Highly effective for cleaning floors, swimming pools, courtyard, windows, even watering flowers and lawn. Cordless design and easy to use, no wires limited. You can clean wherever you want. 21V and 20,000 mAh ultra capacity battery, long battery life, and can provide 400 psi water pressure, 5 meters long water pipe, only 3 steps assembly, no need to plug in, ergonomic design, just one-handed operation, only heavy 2.4 kilograms, light and portable, carry it with your outdoor camping. Top 1. 1. Westinghouse Outdoor Power Equipment Electric Pressure Washer 2030 Max PSI 1.76 GPM with anti-tipping technology, soap tank and 4 nozzle set. 2030 Max PSI of deep cleaning water pressure and up to 1.76 GPM water flow. Pro Style Steel Extendable 17.51 with quick connect nozzles, 0, 15, 25. And soap applicator, super compact and lightweight at 16.5 tall and 19 pounds for convenient storage and portability. 4 quick lock wheels with 360 steering design and low center of gravity, engineered for anti-tipping design. Easy coil nylon braided 15 feet hose, 20 ounces, 600 milliliters. Onboard soap tank to add detergents, chemicals for heavy-duty cleaning. Power on decks, driveways, garage floors, stairs, fencing, patio furniture, and vehicles. Pump automatically stops when trigger is not engaged to conserve energy and promote pump and motor life.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.